In this video, I will show you how to hide your desktop folders and files completely. Let us dive right in. Method 1. Right-click on an empty space, click on View, and come down to Show Desktop Icons and click it. See? Everything disappears. If you want to bring it back, right-click again, go to Views, and Show Desktop Icon. Method 2. If you want to hide a specific folder, let's say for example, this folder, I will right-click on it. I'll go to Properties. I'll come down to Hidden down here. Then you click on Apply. You read it and say OK, and then click OK. You can see the file is faded, but it's still showing. If you want these files to completely disappear from your desktop view, you go to File Explorer, click on this PC, click on View, and then come to Show, and then uncheck Hidden Items. Okay, so by the time we go back to our desktop, you can see it's no more there. The same way, if you want to bring it back, you come to View and go to Show, and then check back Hidden Items. You can see it's here, just change position. Okay, and if you want to restore this back, right click on it the same way you did it, Properties, click on Hidden, then Apply, read what it says here, click OK and OK down here, then the file is back. Another method which is very useful is for us to create a folder. Let's name the folder Files. Let's name it General Files. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I will pick all the files on my desktop. I'll just say Control A, and then I'll hold down Control here to uncheck that. Then I will cut everything and come here, paste it here. It will take a while. You can see everything is neat while it's still loading, so I won't waste your time. Okay, it's complete. Then I will hide this file. So what we're going to do is to go to Properties, and then I will do the hiding thing. I'll click on Apply. I'll read this, so then I'll click OK, and then everything is back. Okay, the last method is this. I'll create a new folder. I'll right click on my desktop, go to New Folder. Now I'm going to rename the folder, but instead of you renaming it to another file name, you hold down Alt and press 255 and then release. See, this is how to create a folder without no name. So what I'm going to do next is that I'm going to then right click on this same folder without no name. I will go to Properties, and then I will come to Customize. Okay, now at the end here I've changed icon. Okay, so I'm going to pick an icon here, but what I'm going to pick is an empty space. Okay, or you can even pick the color. If you know you have a customized icon here, you can pick the color of your desktop. Okay, then I will click on OK, and then I'm going to click on Apply, and then OK. You can see it's here. If not for the check, you won't know that everything is here. Imagine you just position it here, you know that anything is there. You can see, and that's a folder, which then I can drag this main folder to it. Or let me just create another folder and just name it something. Let me create another folder and say FFF. Okay, then let's say there's a file that will just drag it and put it inside, and see everything is gone. If not for this check, but if you double click it, see I have the file inside. Let me know in the comment section if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to check my other playlist for other useful content. Bye for now.